I'm Ashley,
I'm Megan.
and we're obviously cousins, relation.
Relation.
Okay, we're going to be doing a manly burping contest.
Yay!
Let's see how this works out. Okay, if you know me, I can burp on command without pop, anything like that. But her,
I
however, yeah,
Pop.
she's got her pop ready. I have nothing. Obviously, I'm kind of holding the camera here. We'll let her start it out. Come on, burp already. Oh god, this is gonna be terrible. I should go on the Guinness Book of World Records.
Ginya.
Oh god. I'm gonna start going at it now pretty soon. You're an embarrassment for a woman.
What? It's not coming out of my nose. It's not my fault.
Okay. Okay, well,
That is
our
an embarrassment.
to life for her anyways. I'm freaking amazing. Whew. Well, don't try, babe, don't try. Well, this is our 2 o'clock in the morning burping contest. Hope you enjoyed. That was quick.